Hi! So, the data manipulation is known as the key skill that turn raw confusing data into clear, actionable insights. In this tutorial, you will learn essential techniques to clean, organize, and summarize your data. First, open Excel and then create a data which contains a number of a person, the name of a person, gender, age, and its income. And then create a border. After creating a border, try to add colors to the components of the data. Then add numbers 1 up to 10. Drag the column, then click the series, and then create a names. After containing the column name, then put their genders according whether it's male or female. After putting their genders, then put the data on their age. And then after putting the data of their age, then put data on its income. And then create a data analysis table that contains a sum of income, income average, minimum age, maximum age, count of male, count of female, and then add some colors. And then here, getting the sum of income, you can use this formula, the sum, position of a first number and number. So for the sum of income, we have 50,500. Let's get the average of the income using the formula and then the position of its income. Average is 5,050. This average indicates that the person who have above 50,500 are concluded as rich. So in identifying, clicks the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules if they're done or equal to the income average. Color orange shows those persons are included as rich. Even if you change the data, it automatically compute its average income. So next, let's create a table for pivot table. So drag the name, gender, age, and income as the reference to the pivot table. Then at the bottom, you can manipulate the data accordingly in finding its actual count of gender, max of age, minimum of age, and the sum of income. Let's try to duplicate the data so that you can just edit the inputs in manipulating the data on the table. So mark the check, name, gender, age, income, male 2 and age 2. Then reorganize the data according to the preferences, desired table. Put the count of gender at first, then edit. So count of gender 2, and then the sum of age, that to the maximum of age, also the other one to minimum of age. So here are the sum income according to its gender, its total income. And then after getting the data on the pivot table, Then you now fill in the data analysis, which you base to its total number of genders, maximum age and the minimum age. Then remove the duplicate data. Try to fix the borders. After we complete the data, then let's graph it. Graph the richness of the data. So we will base to the names, gender, age, income of individuals, and then click recommended charts. Then choose the line chart, then edit. So this is the graph which shows the richness of an individual. So even if you have any changes on your data, it automatically move or have a accurate computation. So that's all for data manipulation. Hope you have a learnings about some techniques and learn how to systematically organize the data and compute accurately and graph the data sample.